Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a newbie friendly in-store video, and it's for the deals that are starting today 1/19 and ending on the 25th. So if you guys are new to couponing at CVS, definitely check out this video. Usually I'll bring you guys a breakdown, but I decided to show you guys the deals physically because that can probably help. So the first thing you're going to do is sign up for the EXTRACARE card at your local CVS. Make sure you download the app. Now, there is Care Pass at CVS, and that can help out with your first transaction. So let's say you guys sign up for Care Pass. The first $10 that you get, you don't pay the $5 for it. So basically, the second time, you'll get charged the $5. Now, let's say you want to cancel at any time. You definitely can and just use the $10. But I say Care Pass is a great thing to have, especially if you guys are new. So it's $5 every month, and you get a $10 in your app. So make sure you download that CVS app once you receive your card, because that $10 will appear on there. Also, there is a yearly one. So if you spend $48 for the year, you get $10 every month, and that's $4 a month instead of $5 a month if you do the math. So let's jump right into this. There are some really good deals. I have two transactions for you guys. So basically, we're going to be rolling extra bucks. I'm not going to do the deals, of course, because I do not have a new card. But if you guys have a new card, definitely do these deals. Okay, so the first deal I wanted to discuss with you guys is going to be on the Garnier for Teeth products. They're on a promotion this week, 2 for $7. And right there, as you see, when you buy 2 of them, you get a $4 extra buck. Now, in our inserts, so make sure you grab some inserts, we got a 4 off of 2 coupon. So this is our 4 off of 2 coupon right here. But this coupon only includes the mask one right here. So this one right here, you can only buy, or this one right here. But the problem is these new bottles are not on sale, 2 for $7. Only the 1 minute hair mask is 2 for $7. So basically, you're going to pick up 2 of these. You're going to use this 4 off of 2 coupon, right? So after that, the total will work out to $3, but you're going to get back $4 in extra bucks. So you pick up 2, you use that 4 off of 2, you pay $3, and you get a $4 extra buck back. So that's the first deal in the first transaction. Again, guys, make sure you sign up for the beauty club in the app. So once you get your EXTRACARE card, sign up for the beauty club, because every $30 that you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck. And this right here is so far is $7 counting towards beauty. So really, really good deal on the Garnier for Teeth. Now let's move on to the second deal. So the second deal is going to be on Maybelline Cosmetics. So let's go to the Maybelline section. And when you scan your card today at the Red Box Coupon Center, we are all receiving a mystery offer for Maybelline for $3. So for the Maybelline deal, we're going to concentrate on these eyeshadows right here. Okay, so let me show you guys in the ad what the Maybelline deal looks like, and we'll move on from there. So it's on the first page. All right, so Maybelline this week right here is buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 extra buck. So we don't have any manufacturer coupons for this, but when you scan your card at the Redbox Coupon Center, as it's showing us right here, we are all receiving a mystery offer on Maybelline or Revlon. So we received $3 from Maybelline and $5 for Revlon. We're going to concentrate on the Maybelline. So buy one, get one 50% off. When you buy 2 this week, you get a $5 extra buck. Okay, so we're going to pick up 2 of the eyeshadows right here. One of them is going to be priced at $4.19. One of them is going to be half off at $2.09. There goes that $3 off coupon that's printing out for all of us at the Redbox Coupon Center. So after this coupon, the total will work out to $3.28 for both of them, but we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks for buying 2 of them. Remember, guys, it was buy 2 right here, get $5 in extra bucks. So this is going to be $3.28, but you're going to get $5 back. So far, both deals after extra bucks that we did so far are freebies. So really, really good deals. Now, if you're signing up for that Care Pass, remember, you'll have $10 for free on your first time you sign for Care Pass. So this $10 will really help with our first transaction. Now we're moving on to the Colgate Optic White or the Colgate Total. So This deal you can do 2 times. So the other deals are a limit of 1. This deal you can do up to 2 times. Okay guys, so the next item we're going to pick up is the Colgate Optic White or the Colgate Total. So as you see in the ad here, they're on a great promotion this week, and this is a limit of 2, but we're going to pick up 1 in the first transaction and 1 in the second transaction. So they're on sale this week for $3.49, and when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra buck. Now we have 50-cent off coupons that came out in our inserts today. So there goes that 50-cent off 1 coupon. We're going to use 1 of those. So after the coupon, the total works out to $2.99, where you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks for it. So you have the choice of picking up the Colgate Optic White or the Colgate Total. So pick up one of these and you get back a $2 extra buck. Now that's everything that we are picking up in the first transaction. Okay guys, so this is everything so far that we're picking up in our first transaction. So the total before coupons for all these items right here, these are all the coupons we will be using, is going to be $16.77. Total after coupons is going to be $9.27. Now, if you sign up for the Care Pass and you get the $10, make sure you add another item into that transaction so you can use your full $10, because CVS does not give any money back. So you have to spend $10 before tax. So make sure you spend the $10 before tax. We're at $9.27. So grab like a gum or something really cheap just so you don't lose out on that $10 in Care Pass. So you get back $11 in extra bucks after you complete the first transaction. And then we're going to take those $11 in extra bucks and we're going to use it for our second transaction. So remember, for this one, we're going to get back a $4 extra buck. For this deal right here, we're going to get back a $5 extra buck. And for this right here, we're going to get back a $2 extra buck. So now let's move on to the second transaction. Okay guys, so after the first transaction, you should be ending with $11 in extra bucks. So in our second transaction, we're going to pick up the Colgate Optic White or the Colgate Total once again. We're going to use this 50-cent off coupon because remember guys, it is a limit of 2. So since we bought 1 in the first transaction, you're allowed to buy 1 in another transaction, or you can buy both of them in 1 transaction, but make sure you follow through with me so you guys can see what the end result is. So you're going to pick up 1 in the first transaction and 1 in the second transaction. And for each of them that you buy, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So these are $3.49 once again. And you're going to use a 50-cent off 1 coupon from our 119 Smart Source. So you're going to need 2 newspapers in order to use 2 of those coupons. So the total works out to $2.99. Now moving on to the next item. So the next item we're going to grab is going to be the Crest with Scope 1 liter. So these are on a promotion this week for... Here goes the deal right here, the Crest with Scope 1 liter. Buy 1, get a $3 extra buck. $5.49, the big 1 liter bottle. And when you buy 1 this week, you get a $3 extra buck. So the coupon you're going to need is in our app coupon. So make sure you sign up for the app and you send that to your card. It's going to be a $1 off Crest mouthwash. This is a Crest with Scope, so you're going to get $1 off. So it makes it $4.49, and then you're going to get back a $3 extra buck. So that is the second item we're going to grab in the second transaction. Now the last items we're going to grab is going to be on Speed Stick. So okay guys, so the last thing I wanted to discuss with you guys in the second transaction is going to be on Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick. So you have a choice to pick up 2 of the women's, 2 of the men's, or 1 of the women's and 1 of the men's, and I'm going to show you what coupons you're going to use for that. So basically they're on sale 2 for $6. When you buy 3 this week, you get a $2 extra buck. So let me show you them really quickly. Okay, there goes the sign right there. 2 for $6. When you buy 2, you get a $3 extra buck. So this is what the 50-cent off coupons look like that are coming today in our 119 Smart Source. So this is the one for the men's, and this is the one for the women's right here. So after the coupon, the total will be $5, but you're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. So really good deal on speed sticks. So that's the last item we're going to grab in the second transaction, and we're basically done after that. Okay guys, so this is everything we're picking up in our second transaction. So the total before coupons is going to be $14.98. The total after coupons is going to be $12.48. So we're going to use those $11 in extra bucks that we got back from the first transaction and roll it into our second transaction. So after the $11 in extra bucks, your total to pay will be $1.48, but you're going to get back an $8 extra bucks. So now let's recap everything and let's see how much we're actually saving. So this is the first transaction here, and this is the second transaction here. So if we count the retail price for each of the items, the Garnier 1 minute is originally priced at $4.69 each. So for both of those, original price would be $9.38. For two of the Maybelline, they're $4.19 each, making them $8.38. So that's the two items right there. Colgate Total or Optic White is originally $4.99. So we're picking up two of them. It's going to be $9.98 original price. The Crest 1 liter is originally $5.49. And the Speed Sticks are originally $3.59 each, making them $7.18. So the total for everything, if you were to come in here and have no coupons at all, the total for all of these products all together would be $40.41. We only paid $10.75 for everything, because remember guys, the first transaction was, what was it, $9.27, and then the second one was $1.48. So we paid only $10.75. So we saved a total with coupons. So these are all the coupons we're going to use for each of the products. And remember guys, this one is in our CVS app. So make sure you send that to your card. So $29.66 we saved on everything. That is a 75% savings. Not only that, we're walking away with $8 in extra bucks for next week, and $13.28 is counting towards beauty. So what counts towards beauty is going to be these two right here and these two eyeshadows. So really super good deals. This is everything you can walk away with for only $10.75. Now, if you sign up for the Care Pass, the first transaction is going to be totally free, and all you have to pay for the second transaction is honestly $1.48. So sign up for the Care Pass. You don't have to put anything down right now. Let's say you just want it for the first $10. You can definitely do that and cancel right away. So you can do that, or you can keep it, pay $5 a month, or pay yearly, which is going to be $48. So if you're new to couponing at CVS, I do recommend the Care Pass. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Hopefully I explained everything very clearly, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.